Hi there, this is Christy Ashcraft from Christy's Lead Services, a small business in Abington. And I came across your company, thought I'd shoot you the screencast of your website to give you some insight into how you're doing and how things work. If at the end of the video you'd like to learn anything more about Christy's Leads, please reach out via phone, email, or text. And if not, no harm, no foul. I'm going to go over keywords, content, citations, and backlinks today. I'm going to start on the front page of your website and talk about keywords and content. The front page is the most powerful. So you have some really good call to actions here, an email, phone, ways for people to get in touch or contact us. Lots of images, and even the way you're saving these images counts as content. So save those as highly searched keywords like roof repair, Philadelphia, roof installation, Philadelphia. Google crawls it and picks it up. Excuse me. Generally, Google likes to see about 1,500 words of content on your front page. Your blogs are probably driving some, but if you put them on your front page, it helps you be found more, makes you more relatable. The content should be authoritative and meaningful towards your niche and flow well. Within those 1,500 words of content, I put about 12 highly searched keywords that people are looking for on Google. So again, like commercial roofing Philadelphia. And you can be found for those searches when people are searching them. The next thing I'm going to talk about is the map pack. So I just did a Google search for roofers Philadelphia, PA. As I'm sure you know, there's many different ways that people search for the same things on Google. So one way to optimize your website is to figure out which ways are being searched the most and then appear first for those. So on this page, you have your Google guaranteed ads, and then you have your regular ads. And then you have your map pack here, which is where you want to be because it's so visible. You take up about 5 lines, and on a mobile phone, this is a click to call. Just great visibility, and people are seeing you first. So in order to get there, you just have to go through a small process with Google. They verify that you're an actual business, and then you want to get a lot of citations. A citation is just your business name, address, and phone number appearing in online directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages. The more you're out there, the more Google trusts you and you'll start to rank higher in the map pack. If you are top spot in the map pack and top spot organically underneath it, like this company, you get about 70 to 80% of the search volume that comes to this page, which is a good amount. So in order to get here, in the map pack, underneath the map pack, you want to have strong backlinks and referring domains. A backlink is just another website that links back to yours. So it could be a blog about roofing and someone mentions your website. That website is the backlink, that blog is a referring domain. So I'm going to bring this up in Ahrefs, which is a tool I use to do my research. This is your trust ranking and this is your power ranking. These are your backlinks and your referring domains. The quality of these matter. The better quality, the more power to your website. These are the keywords you're being found for, and this is the traffic you're generating. So I'm going to click into your keywords, and then I'm just going to show you one of your competitors. Philly's Finest Roofing. I think these were first organically. Their backlinks, their domains, their keywords, and the traffic they're generating. So they probably have more targeted keywords that are high buyer intent. Let's just look at your keywords. Okay, so yeah, you guys have some here for sure in your content. Look at that. Those are all good to have. Those are all high buyer intent because it's a service that someone was looking for in a great area. So let's just take this one, roofing contractor in Philadelphia, 350 searches a month, which is good. The KD is 10, which means that on a scale of 0 to 100, that's where they rank it in difficulty in terms of how long it'll take you to rank and how much it'll cost you because it's competitive. And you're in spot 20. So you can kind of look at the rest as you'd like if you'd want to pause it and just kind of take a look. Roofing contractors, Philadelphia, 80 searches, KD 10. Spot 28, you aim to be in spots 1 through 3. That's going to get you the most visibility. So it's great that they're in your content, but they need to be in the right spot with the right tags and have strong backlinks behind them. So I hope the video was helpful and gave you some insight into how things work. Again, if you're interested in learning more, please reach out. My door is always open. I'd love to have a short 10-minute conversation. I work within budgets and tailor plans for each business. And if the timing's not right, I understand. I just appreciate you watching. Thanks so much. Have a great day.